How to use DoNotPay consumer legal rights properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. DoNotPay is a powerful tool for enforcing consumer rights, but beginners often misuse it and miss out on benefits. The first mistake is assuming it works automatically without input. DoNotPay relies on accurate information, dates, receipts, and contracts. Providing incomplete or wrong details can cause claims to be denied. Another common error is ignoring the step-by-step guidance. Each case has specific requirements, like sending formal demand letters or following dispute timelines. Skipping steps can weaken your legal claim. Many users also overlook documentation. Screenshots, emails, and receipts are critical to proving your case. Without proper evidence, I cannot generate strong legal letters or assist effectively. Neglecting to double-check jurisdiction rules is another pitfall. Consumer laws vary by state or country, and some claims may need additional legal steps outside DoNotPay's automation. Finally, some assume DoNotPay replaces a lawyer in serious cases. While it handles small disputes, scams, or late refunds efficiently, complex issues may still require professional legal representation. To use DoNotPay consumer legal rights properly, provide complete information, follow step-by-step instructions, gather all supporting documentation, verify jurisdiction requirements, and consult a lawyer for complex matters. Avoid these mistakes, and you'll maximize your chances of a successful resolution.